dispute the credit report? Should I pay this collection account? And will it help increase my credit score? The answer to this question is no, it will not have a dramatic impact on your credit score. If you pay a collection, it may increase your credit score by 1 or 2 points, but it will not drastically improve your credit score like 20 to 30 points because it's a paid collection. It's a negative account already on your credit report. And the way FICO looks at it is that it's negative already. And now that you pay it, that's great. It's great that you pay it, but we're not going to give you these bonus or these brownie points for paying a already negative account. You see, you've already demonstrated to FICO that you can't pay your bills. So you've already put into, they put you into a subcategory already of high risk. So then why would I pay this account, Mark? Well, there's a couple reasons why you will pay it. Say the account is extremely high and it's within the statute of limitations of the collector suing you. So to avoid wage garnishment, to avoid court, to avoid a judgment, then you probably want to pay it or settle it in some fashion, right? Or say you're trying to get approved for a home and you have these outstanding collection accounts. So your loan officer is going to recommend that you pay off the collection accounts so they can close on your loan. But if you just pay the collection accounts hoping that it's going to improve your credit score, that is not the case. If you dispute a credit report and you are paying off a collection account and you hope it's going to improve your credit score, that is not the case. Now, can you dispute an inaccurate collection account, an inaccurate paid account? You see, this is the question I get all the time. Hey, Mark, I paid this collection account. Can I dispute it? And the answer is yes. And I'm going to show you right now. I want you to keep watching this video as I show you how to dispute a paid collection account. All right, so let's go. All right, so one argument you can use, if in fact the argument is true, is that you were scared and you paid the collection account. Now, what do I mean by that? The collector is harassing you on a regular basis, scaring you into paying in a collection account that you may owe, okay? So they scared you into paying it, right? They said they're going to sue you. They said they're going to do this. They said they're going to do that. So they kind of forced you into paying something that you're not sure that you owe. So this is an argument that you can use if you really feel in your heart that you may not owe the amount of money that they are claiming that you owe, but you don't want it to hurt your credit. See, you don't want it to hit your credit report, so you paid it anyways. So you can dispute this paid collection account based on the fact that you wasn't sure that you owed the amount of money that you pay. All right. So let's go on to another strategy that you can use if you're trying to challenge an inaccurate paid collection account. All right. Factual disputing. Factual disputing is basically you are studying the actual account, the paid account, and you're looking for problems. You see, the Fair Credit Reporting Act states that any furnisher must report 100% accurate to the credit bureaus, and that includes a paid account. So paid accounts, and it doesn't matter whether it's a negative or not, still should report 100% accurate. So if you study your credit report and you look for inaccurate information on this paid collection, the collector, the furnisher, has a responsibility to report 100% accurate. And if you find anything that's inaccurate, then you can dispute a paid collection based on factual disputing. All right, so let me show you another strategy. Okay, so factual disputing again, right? you study your credit report, you look for balances that were wrong. So say, for example, you have an old credit report and you realize that the balance was wrong. And you realize that you wasn't supposed to pay the amount that the collector is saying that you owe. So from there, you would dispute this paid collections based on that. So you would show them the old credit report and say, hey, look, I didn't owe this amount and you never sent me any proof that I owed this amount. And I felt scared that you were gonna further escalate the matter. So I went ahead and paid the collection account. Okay, so let me show you another way that you can challenge an inaccurate paid collection account. All right, so you realize that the open date and the date of last activity was wrong. So as you studied this credit report and as you studied this paid collection, you realize that the date of last activity and the open date was wrong. Again, this is factual disputing. So you would dispute based on that. See, the Fair Credit Reporting Act says, hey, they have to report this 100%. And it doesn't matter whether it's paid or not. All right. So I hope you are getting some value so far, because disputing paid collections is tough. But if you go from a factual dispute and you use the law in your favor, which it's there to protect us as consumers, then you can even get an inaccurate paid collection off of your credit report. All right. So I hope I gave you some value on how to challenge inaccurate paid collection accounts. So right now, if you are an entrepreneur starting and running your own credit repair business, I have some free training. I have a lot of free training for everyone. So let's start out with the entrepreneurs. If you're trying to start a credit repair business, I have free training, a step-by-step training email course on how to run a successful credit repair business and be your own boss. If you want to repair your own credit, and this is for credit repair business owners also, and for individuals who want to repair their own credit, I have some free training, some free credit repair training. It's called the Credit Repair Mastery Class that I'm going to give to you for free. I'm going to let you watch the first 5 videos of my Credit Repair Mastery Class. And all you have to do is pick what you want at the very bottom of this video. In the description area, just choose which route you want to go. Now, if you want to improve your credit score, you can also check out my Facebook Messenger class, my top 30 tips on how to improve your credit score or your customer's credit score. So all this training is for you if you want to repair your own credit, or if you want to repair somebody else's credit, or if you are starting a credit repair business. My name is Mark Claiborne, and I'm the founder of StartupCreditRepairBusiness.com and the best-selling author of the #1 credit repair book in the country. I've looked at thousands of credit reports in my lifetime of running a software and running a training center. Again, I want you to share this video, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and hey, ask me some questions at the very bottom of this video. Like, ask me some questions, post some questions. So when I get your questions, I will later answer them. Go ahead and click the link below, find what type of training that you want for free, click the link below and get started.